After decades of debate, North Carolina has expanded Medicaid, making access to health care more affordable for low-income people.
Well, just across the state line, South Carolina is one of less than a dozen states that has not expanded access to Medicaid. Queen City News anchor Casey Jones tonight is taking a closer look at what this means for our local community and what advocates are doing to change it.
With the swipe of a pen, surrounded by legislators and advocates, Governor Roy Cooper signed House Bill 76.
We have a Medicaid expansion bill.
Access to health care options. This bill expands Medicaid coverage to an estimated 600,000 North Carolinians, on top of the close to 3 million who already qualify. Tar Heel state legislators paved the way for it to happen in early March, voting to pass the measure after decades of debate. Advocates say Medicaid expansion means a healthier state and fewer people missing work.
If you're a single parent making $25,000 a year, you didn't used to qualify for health insurance. So you're going to be able to go to the doctor and not have to miss work. People who don't miss work are going to reduce the likelihood that they have to come here.
Carol Hardison, CEO of Crisis Assistance Ministry, hopes to see fewer clients in financial need since Medicaid has expanded in the state. She says 30% of their clients don't have health care, forcing them to make tough choices between essential needs.
So a lot of times people come here because they have debt from going to the doctor. Studies show that over $1,100 in medical debt is what's been saved with expansion. So that's a rent payment. So we're super excited about that part of this program as well.
South Carolina remains one of 10 states that has not expanded Medicaid. Some say this creates an equity concern.
Maybe there'll be a little bit of competition going on. I mean, our businesses will understand that, that if they want to have healthy employees and employees who can be considered reliable, that they may have to look to people in North Carolina versus hiring people in their own state.
Sue Berkowitz with South Carolina Legal Justice Center says the expansion across the state line inspires hope.
We're looking with joy and a little bit of jealousy for our partner states that have made it to the finish line, and we can only hope that the legislators that saw why this was the right way to go will share their story and share their testimony with those lawmakers and policymakers in our own states to help them understand why this is the right thing to do for the people of our state.
North Carolina's expansion will become official after legislators write it into the state budget. That usually happens before the end of the summer. Casey Jones, Queen City News.